Kauthuma Samhita, exploring the melodic mysteries and spiritual harmonies of the Sam Veda. The Kauthuma Samhita, a revered segment of the Sam Veda, offers a mesmerizing blend of melodic chants, poetic verses, and spiritual insights. This article delves into the essence of the Kauthuma Samhita, unraveling its composition, unique musical structure, spiritual significance, and its timeless resonance as a conduit to divine connection. Brief overview. Enveloped within the captivating verses of the Sam Veda, the Kauthuma Samhita entices seekers to delve into the realms of divine melody and inner resonance. This collection of verses and chants holds the potential to transport individuals to a state of spiritual ecstasy through the harmonious interplay of sound and soul. Composition and structure. The Kauthuma Samhita stands apart for its unique musical structure, which involves intricate melodies and accents. Its verses are primarily drawn from the Rig Veda, but the rhythmic and melodic patterns of the Sam Veda give them a distinct character. The Samhita is organized into two parts, the Purvarchika, first section, and the Uttarchika, second section, each contributing to the spiritual journey of the seeker. Musical transformation. The Kauthuma Samhita's rhythmic patterns and melodic nuances transform the verses into powerful mantras. The intonations, known as swaras, are integral to invoking a transcendent experience. Through precise enunciation and intonation, practitioners create a harmonious bridge between the human realm and the divine vibrations. Spiritual significance. At the heart of the Kauthuma Samhita lies its spiritual significance. The melodies are not mere musical compositions, they are vehicles to channel cosmic energies. Chanting these verses allows individuals to attune themselves to the universal rhythm, facilitating a profound connection with higher realms and invoking a deep sense of inner tranquility. Mystical experience. Practitioners of the Kauthuma Samhita embark on a journey that transcends the ordinary. The process of chanting these verses becomes a meditative practice, leading to an altered state of consciousness. This mystical experience not only uplifts the individual but also aligns them with the cosmic vibrations of the universe. Enduring relevance. In a world filled with noise and distraction, the Kauthuma Samhita's teachings hold timeless relevance. Its emphasis on the transformative power of sound and the inner journey provides a unique path to spiritual realization. The Samhita resonates with those seeking a deeper connection to the divine through the beauty of melody and vibration. Conclusion. The Kauthuma Samhita stands as a testament to the profound synergy between melody, spiritual insight, and cosmic resonance. By immersing ourselves in its verses, melodies, and spiritual practices, we embark on a transformative journey. The Samhita invites us to explore the divine symphony that echoes within and around us, connecting us to the eternal rhythm of the universe and nurturing the harmony between the human soul and the cosmos.